Today's recipe is traditional South Indian Rava Rotti, which I call it onion Rava Rotti. Welcome to SBL kitchen. I am Mukta Nagaraj showing you onion Rava Rotti. For this, I am using Sooji, which I am going to roast very little just to make it warm. Let me begin. I am going to pour in the rava. I can feel it warm. I can switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Now I am going to show you how to mix roti batter. I am going to add salt and the green chilli crushed according to the taste, and just a bit of sugar just to get that color. This I am going to mix it dry. To this I am adding finely chopped onions, and this is the spring onion or the green onion, and freshly grated coconut, and some chopped coriander, and give it a nice mix. There is another ingredient to go with this, that is the buttermilk. The sour curds added some water. This is the binding agent. And one more thing is, mix very small portion so that the rava doesn't get soaked. This is how it should look, and this is ready to make it into roti. We use this sort of a pan which is well seasoned. The seasoning can go as I have showed you in my link for dosa tawas. The same way this also can be seasoned. I shall begin making roti. Smear some oil, apply it evenly. Now this is ready to be roasted, and again I am adding some oil. I am going to cover it for a few minutes. Now I will take this off and allow it to roast directly. To get an even roast, it's better we turn the pan to the flame. Now this is roasted well. Our crispy onion rava roti is ready. This is served with some coconut chutney.